Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fern's Cuisine. Hope you guys are doing good. Well, it's time for yet another absolutely mouth-watering and easy to make Goan dessert called Vaughan. It is a traditional Goan dessert made from coconut milk and jaggery. So, let's begin. Take 75 grams, that is 4 tablespoons of chana dal, wash thoroughly with water and soak it in a bowl for around 4 hours. Now after 4 hours, add the chana dal and 1 cup of water into the cooker followed by half teaspoon of salt and boil the chana dal, giving it around 4 whistles or till the dal becomes soft. Don't overcook the chana dal. Turn the gas off. Release all the heat by raising the whistle with the help of a spoon. Open the cooker and drain the water and take the chana dal into a bowl. Now add 6 tablespoons, that is 90 grams of basmati rice or any other rice of your choice into a grinder and grind well into a powder-like texture similar to that of semolina or rava. Grate 1 large coconut and grind it well to extract coconut milk from it. Add 1 cup of water to form a thick consistency. Add some more water if needed. Now strain well as shown to extract coconut milk of thick consistency. Repeat the procedure as shown. Now the thick consistency coconut milk is ready. Similarly, use the remaining coconut to extract coconut milk of thin consistency by adding some more water. We now have 4 cups of thick consistency coconut milk and 3 cups of thin consistency coconut milk. Next, in a pan, add the coconut milk with thin consistency first. Now add the cooked lentils, that is dal. Now add the ground rice mixture that we had prepared earlier. Give it a good stir. Now add the coconut milk with thick consistency. Now add 100 grams of Goan black jaggery. And allow it to cook for some time. Now add 100 grams of palm jaggery. This is easily available in the market. Keep stirring till it dissolves well. Once it comes to a boil, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Bring it to a boil. Now let's check the consistency. The consistency is just perfect as it's shown. Now serve into a bowl. The Goan wand is ready. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Do let us know how you liked it in the comment section below. Stay healthy and stay safe. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Meet you all again with another delicious recipe. Bye.